So today we are working in this very historical home, 1776, the home of, as you can see there, John Harbut. All right, and as we come in, I mean, this door looks pretty much almost original. A lot of original stuff in this home. If you know New England and the Northeast, you'll know that there's a lot of original homes, and I bet you there's a bunch of horsehair right there. How's it going? Over here, these cabinets are pretty much all original. I was talking to the contractor, and I believe that this closet, this cabinet here, is pretty much as original as a couple of hundred years ago. Today, what we are doing is restoring these soapstone countertops. As you can see, they're pretty beat up. And what we're going to do is a restoration process here. And by the time I'm done, these are going to look like they just got installed back in 1776. I don't know if these are original from 1776. So let me show you the difference between phase 1 and phase 2 of the refinishing process. I'm going to get really close, okay? And you can actually hear, it sounds very smooth. Obviously you can't feel it. And this here, okay, sounds a little bit rougher. See that? That's the difference between phase 1 and phase 2 of the refinishing process. Now, you can see that over here, there's a whole bunch of dings over here, but we've smoothed those out. All right, some scratches obviously that might be a little bit deeper, probably won't come off. But all the edges here, they were pretty stained and everything. That's all nice and smoothed out now. And this side over here, I've asked the contractor to come and remove these over here. As you can see here, all the dings and beatings that this has had over here, it's already a little smoothed out, better than here. And we've also smoothed these ones out here too. Okay, so we've done a little bit on the outside. We're gonna smooth out in the inside as well here. And here it's still phase 1, you can hear it. All right, so once I get this smoother, then you're not going to hear that anymore. There's a bunch of dings and scratches and stuff on the edge here. This now is after the first phase of the sealer and dyeing process. So as you can see, everything nice and beautiful, darkens up the stone real nice. Again, there's still a couple more steps in this process. Right here we are waiting for the plumber. He will be here later on this afternoon to remove those so we can get a perfectly finished job. I don't like to do Mickey Mouse jobs around all the hardware, so as the plumber come in, he'll be removing it. We will finish this part off. This is now the finale of this soapstone renovation project. So as you can see, once the stone is resurfaced and then dyed, you can see it maintains its natural beauty. The veins are there, the wear over here on the side, and you can see the little dings, the scratches. Obviously, you know, if we grind this down all the way down, we will obviously get rid of those, but it will lose its character and its age. And you can see the sink over here as well. A lot of detail here in the sink. Obviously, a bunch of stuff drops in here, but that is soapstone. Okay, and being probably at 100-plus-year-old soapstone countertop here, you keep all that natural beauty and that aging right there. All right, but you can see it's still the veining and its natural beauty. Actually, I'm angling the light over here because you can still see the natural aspect of the stone. You can see all the detail, the veins kind of pop out a little bit. It's almost like a leaded stone, but it's not, because this is its natural look.